Okay, this knob here and this knob go with the radio. This knob does not, but I needed something to turn it off and on. So that was the one that I got.
Forces in the AFC. It's interesting, and I have been a Bill O'Brien guy for a long time, but I sold on it. I sold that stock low, and I hope I'm proven wrong. And after the game, the head coach of this Texans team, Bill O'Brien, talked about the team's strong play of late.
Yeah, I feel good for the team. I really. In Florida man, arrested, charged in connection with 13 mail bombs sent to public figures. You know, we've been following this all week long. These, what we can officially call assassination attempts. The FBI confirms that these were essentially IEDs. They weren't just sent to scare anyone or anything like that, although they were amateurish.
Alien children, dreamers, rather than American citizen children. Ladies. And he was
Push
a male
buttons.
So there was that.
Do not want to work.
Philip Hapchen написать Seminole.
Try to move, but they just keep popping back.
With roids and a long criminal record who sends videos of himself to the
Needs
president.
some lubricant.
I think this old boy